The books written on the history of Islam are not Islam, but they are only traditions and hearsay. The religion of Islam is only the Quran, and 1450 years is a testimony that Allah has taken the responsibility of protecting the Quran, and even today the Quran with its full meaning and complete verses with complete words is permanent. Rather, there is a repeated challenge in the Quran that if anyone has any courage, all humans and jinns should gather together. As many scientists as possible, as many intellectuals as possible should gather together and leave the entire Quran and write only one verse of the Quran. This is a testimony that the Quran is a complete heavenly book. There is no book written by human hands. Therefore, what is written in traditions? There are millions of books of traditions. Not all of them are correct. They are hearsay. Therefore, we have to believe in the Quran, and according to the Quran, everything that has been said in the Quran has been proved to be true so far. So it means that the Quran is the truth, and whatever else you have said, you have lied. So don't make false posts. These books, which were written by Iranians, were written so that Islam could be harmed, and because of these hadith books, people have become divided into sects. The Muslim Ummah is scattered, which the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, made an Ummah through the Quran. It has been dissected in many books, and they were given countless beliefs instead of one faith. Therefore, all Muslims and non-Muslims should know that Islam is only what is told in the Quran, because the Quran is a book sent by Allah to live according to it. If so, the Prophet's message is the Quran. The message is the Quran. Take advantage of this Quran and your lives and beautify the hereafter. Thank you.